Okay, so we got 2 screens from Aucar here, and we're gonna pick which one is going to replace your sad, and tired infotainment system right there. So I'm gonna teach you how to, well, after you pick one of these, how to install it, and then we're gonna get your impressions.
Should I open them up?
Yeah, let's open them.
That one's nice with the buttons, hey?
You're overwhelmed with the options. Fan, AC, hazards, temp up and down. You don't have dual climate control, I'm guessing.
No.
And that's your defrost, and that's to change, you know, defrost or face and feet. And then some indicators there when those things are going off. So just, you want to know what you have for physical buttons compared to this in case they're different, because some things are going to be touchscreen, like turning the volume up and down.
Yeah.
So you don't have a knob for volume, you don't have a fan knob, you don't have any of those knobs.
Okay.
You're knobless. So let's have a look at this one.
Ooh, this one feels big. Oh, this one has buttons too at the bottom.
Oh, there you go. Okay, comparison time.
Oh. Ooh. I kind of like this one because I like the sides of this one. How?
Yeah. This is the newer version that they offer in a larger screen.
Okay.
So
I do like this.
We can definitely do this one if that's what you want. Let's make sure we got everything though. So you have your fan up and down, AC button, so that's all those, and your hazards, so that's all here.
Okay.
And then your temperatures, I'm guessing, are these ones here.
Okay.
And then the only thing you're missing is the position of the fans. So there's a recirculating air button here, which this one didn't have.
Yeah.
So what that tells me is it's going to be a digital touchscreen interface for some of those controls. But we can easily put this one in if that's what you would prefer.
So on my other one, because I have buttons down here,
it replaces them.
It'll replace.
Yeah, because they take up this spot right here.
Okay.
Just to show people. Let's go over here. You want to open the door for me, please?
Ladies first.
Hey. Oh my God. I must be taller than you. You can see the form factor. Yeah, you're going to lose all of these controls underneath. So you got to be okay with that.
I'm okay with that.
Okay. You heard the lady.
Do you like the looks of this one better?
Okay. Well then,
like this one's nice with the buttons, but
well, this is the newer version, right? So I
like this one. This one's really nice.
It has the same resolution, same specs. It's just a different layout and a little larger screen.
Yeah, I love it.
Okay. Well then let's package that one up and let's take a closer look at what we have in this box.